Hello children, in previous video we have discussed about composition of air. Through this video you will learn about properties of air. Air is very important for all living beings. There are different properties of air. Air occupies space. Air has weight. Air exerts pressure. Air occupies space. Let's see how air occupies space. When we blow air into a balloon, the balloon becomes bigger. It shows that air occupies space. Air is a substance that occupies space. We cannot see air, but we can feel it. Air can also fill into other things like balloons, tires, mattresses, etc. It is also because air occupies space that the football bladder and tubes in cars and bicycles can be inflated. We can fill air into a number of things and use them in different ways. So, we can understand that air occupies space. When we take an empty glass, it is actually not empty. There is air inside it. Air has weight. Many years ago, a great scientist called Galileo found out that air has weight. All objects which occupy space have some weight. The following experiment helps us to prove that air has weight. Take a stick which is 1 meter long. Take 2 blow-up balloons and tie their strings at the two ends of the stick. Balance the stick by shifting the positions of the balloons. A small slit is made in one balloon, so air may slowly escape from it. When all the air has escaped from one balloon, the other balloon with air in it goes down and the stick is not balanced now, and the side of the stick with inflated balloon goes down. From this, we can conclude that air has weight. Air exerts pressure. As we already know, air has weight, so it exerts pressure also. We can prove it by an experiment. Take a glass and some water. Fill a glass 1/3 with water. Cover the entire mouth with a thick card. Holding the card in place and turn it upside down. Remove the hand from underneath the card. The water does not fall. When you take your hand away from the card, the air below presses on the card and pushes it up. This shows that air exerts pressure. Uses of air pressure. मेडिसिनल ड्रॉपर एयर प्रेशर की हेल्प से ही फंक्शन करता है। जब आप मेडिसिनल ड्रॉपर के टिप को थोड़े से वाटर में डिप करते हैं और उसके रबर बल्ब को प्रेस करते हैं, तब उसके अंदर की एयर बाहर मूव कर जाती है। तब एम्प्टी एयर कॉलम को फिल करने के लिए मेडिसिनल ड्रॉपर में वाटर एंटर कर जाती है। फाउंटेन पेन में इंक भी इसी तरीके से फिल की जाती है। सिरिंज भी इसी प्रिंसिपल पर फंक्शन करता है। ड्रिंकिंग थ्रू अ स्ट्रॉ इज अनदर एग्जांपल ऑफ दिस। सो चिल्ड्रेन, आई होप इस वीडियो के थ्रू आप लोगों को प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ एयर के बारे में अच्छी तरह से समझ में आ ही गया होगा। तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नेक्स्ट टॉपिक के साथ। तब तक के लिए टेक केयर। थैंक यू। बाय बाय।